Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3. Look dear students, here today our topic is interrogative pronoun, page number 25. Okay, interrogative pronoun, and this is our lecture number 12, SW number 10. Okay. Look dear students, here please follow the board. At first we will know what is interrogative pronoun. Okay. Look, the pronouns who, what, which, whom, whose are called interrogative pronouns when they are used to ask questions. I am repeating, the pronouns who, what, which, whom, whose are called interrogative pronouns when they are used to ask questions. For example, who drew this picture? What does your uncle do? Look dear students, here these underlined words who, what, okay, all of these words are called what? Interrogative pronoun. That means these words like who, what, which, whom, whose, all of these words are the example of interrogative pronouns. So what we have learned from interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronouns serve to form special questions. Each pronoun from this group is used to create a special questions or indirect question. What we have learned? Each pronoun from this group is used to create a special questions or an indirect question. Okay dear students, now from our book we will do exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1 now we are going to do. Before starting our exercise, dear students, I want to say one thing, that who pronouns who and whom are related only to people. Okay, now we will do our exercise. Exercise 1, look here. Circle the correct interrogative pronouns to complete these questions. Circle the correct interrogative pronouns to complete these questions. Okay, we will circle the correct answer. Okay, look here, number 1. What or who or whom is your mother's name? Okay, what or who or whom is your mother's name? Here, look dear students, the correct answer will be what? The correct answer is what. So we will make a circle here. What is your mother's name? Then number 2, what or whose or who is Maria? Here the correct answer is what? Who. So we will make a circle here. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Who is Maria. Then number 3, what or whose or who is this house? Here the correct answer is whose. So we will make here a circle. Okay. So the answer is what? Whose is this house. Then number 4, whom or who or what did you meet at the market? Look dear students, here the correct answer is whom. So we will make here a circle. Whom did you meet at the market? Then number 5, whom or whose or what is that bicycle? Here the correct answer is whose. So here we will make a circle. Whose is that bicycle? Then number 6, which or what or who is your dress? Look dear students, here the correct answer is what? Which. So here we will make a circle here. Which is your dress? Now number 7, what or which or whose is your water bottle? Look dear students, here we have to make a circle around this word which. Okay. Look, which is your water bottle? Then number 8, to who or which or whom was the gift sent? So which one is the correct answer here? Yes, we will make a circle around this word whom. Okay. To whom was the gift sent? Okay. Now we will do exercise 3. Look dear students, from this chapter we will do exercise 1 and exercise 3. Look here dear students, exercise 3. Rearrange the words in the right order to form questions. Place question marks at the end. Okay, then number 1, look here. Painted picture these who beautiful. Now here we will make a meaningful sentence. Look here. Who painted this beautiful picture? If we arrange this properly, then we will get this type of sentence. What is this? Who painted this beautiful picture? Okay, then number 2. Blue lost this who has begged. Okay, now we will make a meaningful sentence. Look here. Who has lost this blue bag? Okay, and you have to put here, of course you have to put here question marks because this is an interrogative sentence. Okay, look, then number 3. Breakfast what did eat for you? Okay, now we will arrange these jumble parts. Okay, we will arrange this properly. What did you eat for breakfast? Question mark. Then number 4. Do, hope, want, see, to, you. Now we will arrange these words and make a meaningful sentence. Okay, which is interrogative. Look, whom do you want to see? Question mark. Then number 5, look here. Is that whose toy soft? Look here, the sentence is what? If we arrange this properly, if we arrange these words properly, then we will get this sentence. Whose soft toy is that? Whose soft toy is that? Question mark. Whose soft toy is that? Question mark. Okay, we will get this sentence which is interrogative. Okay, now number 6. Used is paper, make, what, material, to, the. Now we will arrange these words and make a meaningful sentence which is interrogative. Okay, what material is used to make the paper? Question mark. After finishing to write this sentence, you have to put question mark because it is a sentence which is what? Interrogative, which expresses a question. So what material is used to make the paper? Interrogative sign. Okay, here you have to write question mark. Okay, look dear students, now I am going to say about your SW. Your SW is exercise 3. Look here, I have written here exercise 3, 1 to 4. You have to write, you have to submit this as your SW on next Saturday. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Keep practicing this at your home. See you again in the next class. Allah.